There comes a time in everyone's life when you look around and realize you have nothing. No money, no job, no connections, maybe not even support from anyone. But listen carefully. That moment is not your end. It's your beginning. People think money makes money, but the truth is, ideas, effort, and consistency create money. Every successful person you know once stood exactly where you are right now. Broke, confused, and lost. When you have nothing, you actually have something powerful. Freedom. You have nothing to lose, and that means you can take risks that others are too afraid to take. Think about Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. He applied for 30 jobs and got rejected by all of them. Even KFC refused to hire him, but he didn't stop. He used his rejection as motivation. He had no money, but he had an